Hello everyone. This part is an accessory for the microscope and the material is 304. This product looks like a mirror, but it is a special shaped workpiece. Many people may choose to die cast for this product, but customers have high requirements for the surface, and the surface smoothness after die casting is not enough. These places are made by CNC machining running 3D. Here are some marks. After the product is processed, it needs to be polished, rough blasted, and then finely polished. The surface finish can reach 0.2, that is to say, the effective mirror polishing. Some people may have questions at this time. Why not use electroplating? Electroplating can also achieve a mirror effect. However, to achieve good results in electroplating, the surface of the product must be flat. And it will increase the cost, which is not cost-effective for the customer. Therefore, this product depends on the customer's requirements and the reasonable arrangement of the product. Only in this way can we reduce the bottom line cost for the customer while ensuring quality. That's all for today's sharing. If you want to know more about CNC knowledge, please follow me.